Hello guys, welcome back to Lineup. For today's video, here are going to show you or discuss with you how to fix Pure Enrichment heating pad flushing F. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So if you're having problems with your Pure Enrichment heating pad here and you're getting that flashing F status, well, there are going to be a few things that you need to do. So first is you want to go ahead and disconnect the power cord from the electrical outlet. So we're doing this for safety reasons, so just make sure you've disconnected it. Now next is you want to separate the controller from the heating pad. So in this case, do this to basically fix this problem. And finally, you want to firmly reattach the controller to the pad connector, ensuring a secure connection. Now make sure everything is securely connected here. Now, once you've done that, you can go ahead and plug your heating pad back into the electrical outlet and turn on your heating pad and check if the error is now resolved. Now, if the issue persists here, so there might be some deeper problem on it, so there might be some problem on the connector inside here or in your controller here, so it's best to contact the actual where you bought it or the manufacturer for further assistance. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Lineup. Thank you for watching.